Look.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't have any. That's no fair. You want to come to North Carolina and kick your butt and steal it?
No. Kyle's probably gonna steal it before you get here.
No.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh.
You got 22 hours there and here.
Kyle's jelly.
Guess what? They are like seasonal. You can't get them all the time.
Yeah, you can.
That's why. No, in Texas.
Well, Texas is reflected.
I know, it's horrible. Like, I'm like mad. That's why I want to go move to North Carolina. We can go share dorm.
Yeah, no.
That'd be really
But Kyle, look, what is that? What is that, Kyle Wiggins? Oh yeah.
I got some Starburst.
I have those too, but they're somewhere in my room.
I have like a 9-gallon bag.
32-ounce bag.
32 ounce.
Mhm.
And yeah. Well, anyways, Kyle, I think I got drugged today because I went to the Mexican restaurant.
She got drugged up.
Yeah, I think they put something in my food. Because you know Texas is like on the border. No, I think they put something in my food.
Oh God, fix my sleeve so you can't see what's on my wrist.
It says Kyle.
No, it does not. It says Jesus.
No, it says I'm second.
No, it says Jesus. It says Bejeebus.
Jesus spelled K-Y-L-E, then it would say Jesus.
It does not say Kyle.
Yes, it does.
Did that say Kyle? No, it does not.
Yes, it does too. I saw that. K. But you saw it spelling with K. I do Y. Y. It looks like a Y, you know?
No, this is the one. No,
What's the K?
this is the K.
K.
I think this is the Y.
Y. L. E.
It does not say Kyle though.
Yes, it does. I thought it's really clear. Like on the video that you put, it's really clear. Yeah, it's really clear. Yeah,
Oh God. But he already seen it on Twitter, so I really don't care right now. But Kyle, Gatorade.
I live with y'all.
Y'all.
Are you?
What are you trying to say, Kaylee?
I didn't mean it like that. Y'all can have y'all's time by yourself.
Kaylee! Okay, he's gonna hate me forever for this video. So bye now. Bye.